So hi children, so in that previous video we discussed that concept 7, right? So these are all the problems related to concept 7, that is the factor theorem related. So see here what is the first question they given in that worksheet 7. Okay, so let us say that the first question. So what is they given, what they given here? If x plus 1 is a factor of x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 6x square minus x minus k. Okay, so here what is the factor they given? X plus 1. So x plus 1 is a factor they are saying. So from this one find that x value here. So which is equals to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. Understand? So what value we got here? X is equal to minus 1. So if x is equal to minus 1, then what is the value of k here? Then what is the value of k? So to find that k here, keep that 0. Okay, to make it as a equation, then only we can find that any roots or solutions or values, right? So that's why to make this one as an equation. Okay, so algebraic equation. So see here, if x is equal to minus 1. So if x is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 whole cube plus 6 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus k is equal to 0, which is equal to minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 plus 6 into minus 1 whole square. So that is 6 into 1, so which is equal to 6. Minus into minus, which is equal to plus 1 minus k is equal to 0. So from this minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So 6 is equal to minus k become as plus k. So since k value is 6. What is the value of k here? K value is 6. So which option is correct ma here? Option 1 is correct. Okay. So let us see that next question. If x minus 2 is a factor of x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 9x square plus 2x plus m. So here we need to find the value of m, no? So that's why which is equal to 0. Already I explained you in that first question, so directly I will write here, say that. So what is the factor they given here? X minus 2. So which is equal to 0. So that's why x is equal to 2. So now here x is equal to 2. So substitute that. 2 cube minus 9 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus m is equal to 0. 2 cube is equals to here 8. Minus 9 into 2 square is 4 plus 2 2's 4 plus m is equal to 0, which is equals to 8 minus 9 4's 36 plus 4 plus m is equal to 0. So here 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 minus 36 plus m is equal to 0. So here 12 minus 36, which is equals to minus 24 plus m is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 24 become as plus 24. So what is the value of m here? M is equal to 24. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, option 4 is correct. Am I clear to you? Yes. So see that next third question. What is that third they given here? Yes, reminders they are asking. So first what they given ma? Let p of x is equal to x square minus 9x plus 18 is divided by x minus 2. Divided by x minus 2. So from this one x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. Okay. So here we need to find that p of 2 value. And come to the second one. Here x square plus 5x minus 14 is divided by x minus 4. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is, let it be some q of x. Okay, second expression. So from this one x is equal to minus 4 become as plus 4. So q of 4 value we need to find out. Understand? So see here ma. Here p of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 9 into 2 plus 18. So 4 minus 18 plus 18. So minus 18 plus 18 gets cancelled. So finally we got that p of 2 is 4. Clear? So here the remainder is 4. Come to this one. Here 4 square plus 5 into 4 minus 14. 16 plus 20 minus 14. So, 16 minus 14, here we can simplify that. So, 16 minus 14 is 2. So, 2 plus 20, which is equals to 22. So, here we got the two reminders, no? So, one of the remainder is 4 and the another remainder is 22. So, which option is correct ma here? So, option 2 is correct. So, children, let us see that next fourth question. So, if x cube plus 8x square, x cube plus 8x square minus x minus 8 is divided by a factor x plus a, then the remainder is 0. Okay. So, x plus a is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus a. Okay, we know that. And they given that the remainder p of minus a is equal to 0. They only given in that question. Okay. So, by using that another factor we need to find out. Okay. So, x plus a, the remainder is 0. Then it is one of the factor. Okay. So, what we have to find out here? Okay ma. So, here they given that the remainder is 0. They given here condition. So, that is why here we have to go from that through options. Okay. So, which value satisfies that given condition? So, let us see that here x minus 8. So, x minus 8 means here x is equal to 8. Option 1. So, p of 8 value first we need to find out. So, just substitute that 8 here. 8 cube plus 8 into 8 square minus 8 minus 8. So, here 8 cube, 8 8 is 64, 64 into 8 something you will get, plus 8 into 8 square, this is also same, okay, minus 8 and minus 8. So, there is no possibility, by seeing this one only we can say that here no possibility to get that p of 8 not equal to 0. No possibility to get that remainder as 0. Why? Because here cancellations possibility is not there here. Why? Because positive signs is having that greatest numbers and the negative numbers are smallest numbers. And we know that when it will be possible, the same positive numbers, the same negative number will be there, means cancellations will be possible. So, there is a chance to get 0. Okay. So, after simplification, but without a simplification also here we can say that. Why? Because these two are the largest numbers. By seeing we can say that those two largest numbers than that negative numbers are, these two are the positive numbers and greater than that smallest numbers. So, that is why here something we will get the remainder, but we should not get the remainder as 0. Okay. So, that is why here p of 8 not equal to 0. Clear? Next, second option. What is the second option? X plus 2. So, x cube plus 8x square minus x minus 8. X cube plus 8x square minus x minus 8. Yes. So, the second option, what is that? X plus 2. So, the second option x plus 2, which means here p of minus 2. Understand? So, which is equals to minus 2 whole cube plus 8 into minus 2 square minus of minus 2 minus 8. So, minus 2 whole cube is minus 8 plus 2 square is 4, 4 8 is 32 plus 2 minus 8. So, which is equals to, here is there any possibility to get that 0? By seeing this one we can say that no possibilities. Minus 16 plus 34 not equal to 0. Okay. So, option 2 also not existing here. Then we have to go for that option C. So, option C, what is that ma here? X plus 4. What is that? X plus 4. So, we need to find that p of minus 4 value we need to find out. Okay. So, let us say that minus 4 whole cube plus 8 into minus 4 whole square minus of minus 4 minus 8. So, which is equals to minus 4 whole cube. So, 4 4s is 16, 16 4, 64 and cube no. So, that is why minus 64 and plus 8 into, here this is 4 square. 4 square means that is 16, positive 16. Okay. And here minus into minus, that is plus 4 minus 8. So, children, when you observe this one, here this is 64 minus 64 and come to this one, what you will get here? 8 is there. So minus 64 minus 8 is minus 72 plus 4. Okay, plus 8 into 16. So when you multiply 8 with 16, okay, so see here, minus 72 plus 4. When you multiply 8 with 16, then you will get that 128. Okay, but here this is lesser than that value. So by seeing this one here, we can say that this value also not equal to 0. And finally the last fourth option is there. So what is the fourth option here? X plus 1. So x plus 1. So substitute that x plus 1. So which is equals to x is equal to minus 1. So p of minus 1 value, minus 1 whole cube plus 8 into minus 1 square, minus of minus 1 minus 8. So which is equal to minus 1 whole cube. So that is minus 1 plus 8 into 1. So that is 8. Minus into minus plus 1 minus 8. So cancellations, minus 1 plus 8 minus 8. So finally we got that 0. So which option is satisfying here? Fourth option is satisfying. So what is that fourth option here? That is x plus 1. Understand? So by this way we have to simplify that. Am I clear to you? Yes. So let us see that fifth question here. Yes, see that fifth question. What they given here? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. If ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is divided by x plus 2, then the quotient are, okay, then the coefficients of quotient are 4, 5, 6 and the remainder is 0, then the polynomial is. So children, first say that what they given. P of x is equal to, they said that ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is a polynomial, given polynomial. So here this is divided by means that is the divisor. So divisor is equal to here divisor. So divisor x plus 2. Okay. So children, when you observe this one here, x cube divided by x cube divided by x, then the quotient is x square only, no? Okay. So in that quotient, so here what they said, the coefficient of quotient. So coefficients they given. So first only we can write that here general form they given. So by using general form, just write this one. So here the first one is x square. Why? Because here x cube divided by x, then we are getting x square. Okay, and x square divided by x, so which is equal to x term, x square plus x term plus one constant term. Okay, so x power 0 only, no? Next, and here they given that the coefficients of that quotient, so what is the first coefficient? 4x square, next 5x plus 6. So this is the quotient as per that given question. Okay, now the quotient is 4x square plus 5x plus 6. So children, just see here, now dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus a remainder. Okay, so here they given that a remainder is equal to 0 by using the division algorithm. So dividend, so here this is equals to dividend, no? So dividend I am writing here p of x. So which is equals to divisor is x plus 2 into quotient 4x square plus 5x plus 6 and the remainder is 0. Okay, now simplify this one. X into 4x square, so 4x cube plus 5x into x is equal to 5x square plus 6 into x is equal to 6x plus 2 4s 8x square plus 2 5s 10x plus 2 6 12, which is equal to 0. Okay, now simplify this. 4x cube plus, here I am writing, say that 4x cube plus x square terms 5x square 8x square, so which is equals to 5 plus 8, which is equals to 13x square. Clear? Next, x terms 6x 10x, so plus 16x. Okay, so plus 12 plus 12. Understand, ma? Plus 0, that is, so plus 0 means nothing. Okay, again we will get it as 0 only, no? Now see that this is the required polynomial. So what is that? 4x cube plus 13x square plus 16x plus 12. So the first option is correct. When you compare this one with the general form, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So the same form only, no? So children, so first what we have to do means here what they given in the question, first you have to write everything like this. After you have to think that these all the things given, no? So what is the relation between these all? What is the relation among these all? So that relation we know that division algorithm. So first you have to write the division algorithm. So at the division algorithm what they given here, that one you have to write after simplification. So finally what they asked here, what is the required polynomial here? So the required polynomial after multiplication of this everything, we got that the first one option is that correct answer. Am I clear, children? So in this video 1 to 5 questions we discussed. So in that next video we will discuss that 6 to 10 questions. Okay, thank you all.